Hey guys, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm really excited to be sharing my very first FabFitFun box that I've ever received, and it looks like this right here, and I'm sure you've seen this box a lot since they released their fall season campaign for the FabFitFun boxes, and I don't know why I've never ordered a FabFitFun box until now. I really don't. I've been seeing people getting them from time to time, and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get that box one day. And finally I just said, you know what, I'm finally get one and see what all of the hype and excitement's all about. And I feel like I can understand why it's so exciting, because you get to pick a couple of products when you first purchase your box, and then the rest of the products that you receive in your box is like a surprise. You have no idea what you're going to be getting, and I love surprises. I don't know about you, but it feels like Christmas, and I love not knowing what's in a box and just opening it up for the first time and seeing all of the goodies that are inside. So of course, when you first get your box, if you have not already ordered a FabFitFun box, you get to pick your interests, whether if you are into home decor or if you're into working out or beauty and makeup and so on, and then they pick what goes in your box based on what you pick for your interests. So of course mine's going to be beauty, it's going to be skincare, it's going to be makeup, and I'm just really excited to see what's in this box. So I've not opened up this box yet. I still have the sticker still attached right here, and I've had this box now for about two and a half weeks, and it's been sitting in my house, and I've been looking at it and I've been wanting to just get my hands right into this box, but I thought, no, you know what, I'm going to create an unboxing video for you guys. We're gonna open it up together, we're gonna see what's inside, and you know what, we're gonna do this together. So I'm really excited to finally be filming this video, and of course if you would like to subscribe to my channel and click that bell, that way you'll never miss any of my future videos in skincare, makeup, and so much more. Well, if you want to see what's in this box, then please keep on watching. Now I am located in Canada, so when I ordered this box, I had to pay for the shipping, I had to also pay for the duties, as well as the currency exchange rate from the American dollar to the Canadian dollar, so it did make it pretty expensive for me being in Canada. But if you live in the US, it's going to be way cheaper than what I paid, and unfortunately as Canadians or wherever you live that's not in the US, we have to pay the exchange rate, we have to pay for the shipping and duties, and it kind of sucks, but I'm sure that this is all going to be well worth it, and we're going to see right now if it was all worth it and whether I'm going to continue with the membership or not. So I have my scissors here, we're going to finally open up the box, and this color matching here, yeah, that wasn't planned, that just happened, by the way, so thanks KitchenAid. So we are going to open up this box, and I am so excited. So let's see what's in here. Alright, so the first product that I have here is the Better Skin Lava Magic, which is a cleanser, a scrub, and a mask all in one. And this is a daily cleanser, exfoliating scrub, and revitalizing mask. Skin cleansing volcanic lava with nourishing sweet orange, grapeseed oil, cucumber, parsley, and chamomile for healthy, radiant, more youthful looking skin. Well, we all want that, so I'm all for this. So I can't wait to try this out. So I'm gonna do a separate video on this, I think, and I'm gonna review this product for you once I've tried it out a couple of times. So stay tuned for that video. Now what else do I have here? Oh yes, this is actually one of the products that I picked out. So I'm gonna take it out of the packaging here first so that you guys can get a better look at it and the light's not going to reflect off the plastic. So this is by Bubble Bar, and it's the Fara Ear crawlers, so they're earrings, and these are absolutely beautiful. They're going to be really nice come the holidays with a nice dress, and this is going to be really, really nice to add to your overall look come the holidays, or just in general if you just want to wear them every day. So they have the longer backing, so they're more of a dangly type earring. Now the next one here is the Aveda Damage Remedy Daily Hair Repair Instant Visible Repair Protects from Heat Styling. Now I've actually used this before. I've actually owned 2 bottles of this before I started my YouTube channel, so this is going to be my 3rd bottle, and I didn't know that I was going to get this in this box, by the way. So Aveda is a really good brand, especially for hair. It's cruelty free, it's vegan. I love the smell to them. It smells very spa-like, and it's amazing on the hair. Now, you would want to put this on wet hair, and you can also put it on dry hair as well, but it's really good when you put it in your hair wet, and it really does protect it from heat styling tools, UV protection as well, and it just makes your hair feel really soft and smooth, and it just conditions your hair until the next time you wash your hair. So if you're looking for a really good damage remedy, leave-in conditioner plus heat protectant, the Aveda one is really good, and I absolutely love this one. So I'm really excited that I got this because I'm actually almost out of my other ones, so this is great. I'm glad that I got another one of these. Alright, so I don't even know what I want to pick next. Like, look how fun this is, you guys. Like, I honestly don't even know which one I want to share with you next. Like, this is so exciting. Okay, so how about we go with, I'll go with this one right here. So I actually picked this one as one of my options for beauty, for skincare. If you've ever watched the TV show called Botched, and it's with Dr. Nassif and Dr. Dubrow. I absolutely love that show. I just get a kick out of that show, and the way that they make people look, absolutely amazing. Like, people will go in with a really bad nose job and they will fix their nose, and it just looks beautiful once it's all done. So that's a really good show. I always love watching that show. So when I saw that this was one of the options, I knew that I had to try it, and I'm definitely going to do a separate video on this for you guys because I'm really excited to try this out and see how it's going to work for my skin. So this one is actually by Dr. Nassif, and I had no idea that Dr. Nassif had his own skincare line. I really didn't. If you did, leave the comments below because I had no idea. These are his detox pads, complexion perfecting pads with alpha and beta hydroxy acids. You're getting 60 pads, and this is going to help exfoliate your skin. So I have actually never used AHAs or BHAs when it comes to a wet pad form. I've just had basically serums and whatnot. So this is going to be really interesting. Now, you're supposed to gently wipe your face with a pad in the morning and evening to improve skin's complexion. Do not rinse off. Avoid the upper and lower eyelids. A tingling sensation may occur. This is normal, and yes, that is normal. So I'm really excited to give this a go. It looks like this here, and I know that my lighting is basically making the packaging really shiny, and you can probably not even really tell what this packaging looks like right now. But don't worry, I'm gonna do a separate video on this, so stay tuned. But I am really excited to try this out. I had no idea he had a skincare company, so let's give this a go and see what this is gonna be all about. Alright, so the next one, what is this? Juice Cleanse by Harper and Ari. Exfoliating sugar cubes. Interesting. I'm really excited to try this out. So they look like that there, and they actually look like candy, to be honest with you, but don't eat them, obviously. Let's see what these smell like, because I'm all for smells. Oh my gosh, they smell really nice. I can't even tell you what this smells like. It's like fruit, maybe with some cucumber in there. I don't know, but this smells really, really nice. So I'm really excited to give this a go. Actually, you know what? This is actually gonna be really good before you self-tan. You usually have to exfoliate your body before you self-tan anyways. So this actually might be really good to use on the skin before self-tanner. So I'll let you know if that's gonna work out really good. But this says, take a single cube with you in the shower or in the bath and gently massage over wet skin, concentrating on those rough patches. Recommended to use twice a week or whenever you need some extra pampering, for the body only. So don't use this on your face, so that's good to know. I don't think I would have anyways, but you know, sometimes we will try things on our face without really reading the directions, so that's good to know. So yes, I'm really excited to try these. These smell absolutely amazing, and actually, how rough is it? Actually, it's pretty rough, but I think that this is going to dissolve in water pretty good. And you're getting about 8 cubes here. So there's 4 on top and 4 on the bottom. So you're getting 8 cubes. I don't know if 1 cube is going to last you a couple of times or if it's going to all dissolve in one shower or in the bath. I'm not sure. I'm really curious to see what these are going to be like on rough patches, because I know that my elbows get dry, my hands, my feet, and those are good places to exfoliate on a weekly basis. So really excited to try this one out. Okay, what do I have here? So this is Aromatherapy Associates. It's a roller ball for restful and tranquil. All right, sounds good so far. You're getting 10 milliliters of product here. I've never heard of this brand before, I don't think. What's it say here? Ideal for travel or to fit in your purse. This roller ball is the perfect way to enjoy a mindful moment wherever you are. Well, I have to say that that sounds good so far, because sometimes we just need a little bit of relaxation throughout our day and a little bit of zen. So I'm hoping that this is going to be good, because I think that we all need that sometimes. So this is what the roller bottle looks like, really nice and classy, but let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's a very mild smell. Smells kind of spicy, but it does smell very spa-like. I really like it. I actually really like that smell. So I don't know where to put this on our body, but let's see here. Apply our deep relax roller ball to your pulse points and inhale the fragrance blend for instant well-being on the go. Okay, so I am familiar with products like this because here in Canada we have a company called Sage Wellness, and they have a lot of nice natural blends that you can rub on your pulse points, and it helps with relaxation, it helps if you have headaches and whatnot. So this actually is the same type of idea. So you want to put it on your pulse point, so you want to put it on your wrist, you might want to put it on your pulse points on your neck, and it's supposed to help with relaxation. Or you can put some on the back of your hand and then just inhale really deeply throughout the day when you apply this on your hands. So it's not a strong scent, but it's a very mild scent, and it actually really is a nice calming smell. So that's nice. I kind of like that idea. This will be good if you're traveling. If you're somebody that is a little bit uptight when you're traveling, this might be really good to have on hand. So I'm really excited to try this and see if it actually works. And if it does, bonus, then I'll be buying a whole bunch of them. So interested in seeing if this is going to work for me. Okay, so the next thing I have here, and this is actually one of the items that I did pick because there was a couple of options. One of the options was a pink Amika hair straightener. Now I already own 3 hair straighteners and I didn't need any more hair straighteners. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna skip out on the hair straightener, but that really would have been a really good option if you are somebody that doesn't have one or you need a new one. That would have been a really great option to pick from. But I ended up going with the scarf. Now, I absolutely love scarves, and I love to wear a scarf to add that extra accessory to my overall look and for obviously warmth as well. So this is by Plush, and it's the Stay Warm and Stylish Ultra Soft Plaid Scarf. And it looks like this right here. It feels super soft. The quality is really, really nice. I really love this. This is one size fits all, and it has a lot of navy, some black, and some gray in there, which I really like because it's very neutral, and it's gonna go with a lot of different coats and sweaters come the colder months. Now here in Canada, our winters are really brutal, so I'm gonna need this. And I love adding accessories to my overall look come fall and winter time, and scarf is always one of them that I like to pick to add to my overall look. So this is gonna look really nice with a black coat. It's gonna look really nice if you have a navy style coat. I'm actually really excited to wear this with my heathered gray coat, which is more of this color right here. So it's gonna look really nice and sharp to have that dark accessory over top of my light colored coat. So I'm really excited to be wearing this. It's a little bit too warm right now to be wearing it, but as soon as the colder temperatures come through, then I'm gonna be wearing this a ton. So this is really nice. I love it. It has the tassels on the bottom. I'm really glad that I picked this over the hair straightener. So yes, I'm really excited to be wearing this come fall and winter. Alright, so I have 2 more products left in this box. Now this one here, what is this? I've never heard of this brand before. This is by Human & Kind, and it's a body souffle. Alright, naturally derived, and it's vegan and cruelty free, so that's nice. I really love products that are cruelty free and that are vegan. Now this is lightly whipped for the ultimate in kindness. Human & Kind's 2-in-1 light and fluffy body souffle is quickly absorbed to leave your skin feeling super moisturized and soft to the touch. Apply as needed to soothe and moisturize your skin. So you can use this on a daily basis, it looks like. Now you're getting quite a bit of product here. It's 200 mils of product. So I really like that. Now let's see what it smells like. I'm gonna have to open this up here. I'm actually gonna put out my other hand here because I have the other product on there. Oh, that's really nice. I like that. and just a mild scent. So it's gonna be really good come fall and winter time. It really does feel pretty moisturizing. And I've never heard of this brand before, so I should check out to see what some of their other products are like, because like I said, I've never heard of this brand before. That's why I like to get boxes like this, because you get products in your box that you've never heard of and companies that you've never heard of before, and it gives you a nice introduction to their company. And I always like to find new products out there, new companies out there, and see what they have to offer. So it's a really good way to see if you want to venture out and check out more of that company's products, or you don't want to check it out and you just said nope, wasn't for me, and at least you know. So I really like that about FabFitFun, and just subscription boxes like this. It really gets you familiar with different brands out there, and it gives you more options to look at as well. So I love that. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out come the colder months. I have one more thing here, and this is the After Spa hair towel. Hands-free, lightweight, drying hair towel. So I think all of us could use something like this. Now, to be honest with you, I never really got into these. Normally when I get out of the shower, I just towel dry my hair as best I can. I clip it up and then I go right into my skincare routine. But this is going to be good because sometimes when your hair is clipped up, your hair is still dripping wet. So I think that I will really appreciate this and get into more of the hair towels, so that you're soaking up all of that extra water before you comb it out and put products like this on your hair. So I'm really excited to try this. Like I said, I really don't use things like this often, but it is really good, and I know a lot of people use this. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. So my box is now empty, and I'm really sad that it had to come to an end, but it just makes you more excited for the next season and the next box and what kind of products they have to offer. So I will link below in my description box a link that will take you to FabFitFun, and that way you can check it out if you have not already subscribed to FabFitFun, and to see what the boxes are all about and what kind of products you can receive in a box. Like I said, you get to pick a couple of products in your box, but then the rest of the products FabFitFun picks for you, and that way you get a nice surprise when you do receive your box. Now again, you can cancel your subscription at any time. You're not locked in, so even if you want it for 1 month just to see what kind of products you get, you can definitely cancel for the next season, but make sure that you cancel before the box gets sent out to you. So I will have some links for you below, and you can also get $10 off your first box as well. So that only applies to people who have not received a FabFitFun box before and that has never subscribed to the subscription box. So that is only for first time purchases only, so you can get $10 off your first box, whether you're in Canada or you're in the United States or anywhere in the world. You can get $10 off your first box. So I will link that all below for you as well. So I hope that you found this video fun. I really had fun creating this video for you guys and opening up the products, seeing what the box had to offer, and let me know if you do like videos like this, because I think it's really fun to watch videos like this and get excited with the person that's creating the video. So let me know below if you want to see more videos like this, and I hope that you enjoyed today's video. So I will definitely see you guys in my next video. Take care as always, and we'll see you guys then. Bye guys.